In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive on Slack. This straightforward process will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Whether you want to streamline your workflow or make sharing files with your team a breeze, this guide will walk you through every step. We'll start by navigating to the Slack website. Once there, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll find a button labeled Sign In. Clicking this button will prompt you to choose how you'd like to log in. For a quicker and more seamless experience, click on Google. This option connects your Slack account with your Google account, effortlessly syncing the two platforms. You will now need to sign in using your Google account. If you're already logged into Google on your device, this step might happen automatically. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email and password. Once you're signed in, you're ready to proceed with integrating Google Drive into Slack. Now, shift your attention to the left panel of your Slack interface. You'll notice a series of icons stacked vertically. Towards the bottom, you'll see 3 dots, representing more options. Click on these dots to expand your menu. From the list of expanded options, click on Automations. This is where Slack manages all sorts of integrations and workflow automations, making it a hub for enhancing productivity. Next, find and click on the Apps option. This action will direct you to Slack's app interface where you can discover and add various applications to optimize your workspace. In the Apps section, there's a search bar. Type Google Drive into this search bar. Slack will populate a list of results, allowing you to find exactly what you're looking for. Click on Google Drive from the list of available apps. This will direct you to Google Drive's app page within Slack. On the Google Drive page, there's a button that says Add to Slack. Clicking this button initiates the integration process. At this point, you'll need to follow a series of prompts that will ask for permission authorization. This step is vital as it allows Google Drive and Slack to communicate effectively. Make sure you review the permissions carefully and proceed by authorizing the connection. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with Slack. This integration will enable you to share files directly from Google Drive to your Slack channels, enhancing your team's ability to collaborate efficiently. Whether you're sharing documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, this setup makes accessing and collaborating on Google Drive files within Slack incredibly easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.